Hello, let's take a look at downloading .NET 7. This is relatively straightforward, and we will look at a few things: downloading for development purposes and downloading for running purposes. Basically, for Windows, you want to get your installer, the right installer, and then install it. Now, with Visual Studio, when you download the latest version, it should already be available. So you shouldn't really need to do anything, but sometimes you might need to do it. Maybe you're updating, maybe you're working with an older version or something. So for the installation, in this page, this will be provided in the description, so you can go in and download. But basically, for the installation, you need the SDK. So 7, the latest version of it, and you go to the SDK. Now, what you want to do, you probably want to download the x64 installer. Do download installer, not binary. That will just take you through the installation process and you'll be good to go. Now, in some rare cases, you might need to restart your computer and all that. That will all be quite straightforward. So that is for development. This will only really work for development purposes on your local machine. Once you have to run the actual application, that will be a bit more different. So this will be on the right side here, all these installers. Basically, if you have a website or really anything you're hosting on a server, what you'll want to do is you want to download the hosting bundle. That's what you want to do. You don't want to go with x64, any of these other ones. You need the hosting bundle. That's what you take to your Windows server, copy it, download it here, then copy it to your Windows server, and then install it there. That's all you need to do, and you'll have your ASP.NET Core runtime running. But you need the hosting bundle. That's very important. Now, if you have a desktop application, it says here desktop runtime, that's what you will need. But again, if you're hosting anything on server, it's best to just download the hosting bundle, and that will take care of everything for you. So this is for the .NET 7 specifically. If you want an older version, perhaps you're running a .NET 6 application, you're hosting it on your server and you have .NET 7 installed, but you're running something else that's .NET 6, for example, you will also need to install the .NET 6 as well. So .NET 7 won't cover that application for your .NET 6. So that's what you need to do, and the link is in the description.